Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of a binary search tree. So basically in a traditional trees, if you want to search for a particular element, you need to compare with all the elements, right? So that is not a good or a best way, right? Yes. So that is the reason why we introduced these binary trees, guys. Okay. So in binary trees, okay, so the binary trees, so if the root node is having a 21, so on its left side you will have the values which are less than 21 like 19, 18, like that, and on the right side you will have greater than 21, 31, 41, in that way. And this method is applied at each and every node, guys, in each and every level. Okay, yes, not only in the root but for each and every node. So this kind of a concept is nothing but a binary search tree. So that is the small method which will be applied in binary search tree. Okay, yes. So a binary search tree, BST, is a binary tree in which the left subtree of a node contains a key less than the node's key. Okay, that's not that less than the root's key. And the right subtree of a node contains only the nodes with a key greater than the node key, root key. Okay, yes. So left and right subtrees each also also should be a binary tree. Got it? Yes. So in simple words, x, y and z. So x is greater than y and x is less than z. Got it? Okay, so just give me a second. So x is greater than y and x is greater than z. So it's wrong. X is a less than z. So in that way it should be there. Got it? Yes. Okay. So let us continue. Okay. So now after this understanding, like exactly I'm going to divide them. So few of you might be thinking that the search, insert and deletion will come to log n. But for worst case, it could be big of n also, guys. Okay. So your question will be, okay, then how is my question? You will be saying, right? Yes. So let us take an example. So assume that 1 came first. After that 2 came, after that 3 came, and so on up to 1000 came. Okay, so now assume that you are searching for 1000. So how many comparisons you should do, guys? So each and every time you should do comparison, right, in this path. So that is the reason why the complexity is a big O of log n in the big O of n in the worst case, guys. So how big of log n in average case? So basically assume that you are so lucky and you got a completely balanced tree. So basically here the height is 1, right? So 0th level and 1, right? Yes. So at this time, if you are searching for 3, you will compare here. So 3 is a greater or less, guys. So 3 is a greater. So you will come this side and you found 3. So it took really fast, right? So that is nothing but log n time. So here the height is a 3. And log 2 base 3 is 1, right? So approx. Okay, yes. So in that way. Okay, so anyway we will be going through some examples of insertion and deletions, guys, and searching. So you will be having a clear idea. So don't worry, just give me a second. I'm just folding a piece of paper. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us start. So now our question is inserting these elements 17, 65, 84, 69, 67, 83. Okay, yes. So let us start. Okay. So let us start. So basically let us start inserting. So the first value is 71. Okay, so let me write them down, guys, because in examination also it is always better to write down the question, because if you see in computer and if you try to solve, you might do some silly mistakes, right? Yes. Okay, so first 71. Okay, 71 inserted. 65. So whenever you are inserting any node, the thing is which you will check is whether 65 is less than 71. Yes, so push that side. Okay, 84. Whether 84 is greater than 71? Yes, push this side. 69. Is 71 greater than 69? No, means this side. Is 69 greater than 65? Yes, so this side. Okay, 67. So 67. Okay, so 67, is it less? Yes. Is it greater? Yes. Is it less? Yes. So 67. Similarly, 83. So 83 is a greater and here it is a less, 83. So at the end we got the tree, right? Yes, this is nothing but the BST, guys, binary search tree. So few of you might be saying that, okay, then how can you say that much confirmly that you have drawn correctly? So there is a small advantage in this binary search tree, guys. So if you do in order, the bottom in order, you should get the ascending order. So 65, 67, 69, 71, 83, 84. So we are getting the ascending order. Hence it is a correct binary search tree. Okay, I have wrote it step by step, guys, with exact comparisons. I have just wrote it in the book, so you can just cross check the book also, guys. Okay, in order of a BST is always in ascending order. So 65, 67, 69, 71, 83, 84. Got it? Yes. So now your question will be, okay, so now we got the tree, how the searching will be done? So assume that we want to search for 67. Is a 67 in the tree, guys? By observing you say yes, it is there, so you need to find somehow. Okay, yes, so 67, so assume that this value is 67. Okay, so now you will start at a root. So is a 67 equal to 71? No. Is a 67 equal to 65? No. Okay, so once you told no, you will check whether it is greater or less also. Is a 71 greater than 67? No. Yes, so come this side. Okay, is a 65 equal to 67? No. Is a 67 greater than 65? Yes, so come this side. Is a 69 greater than 7? Sorry, is a 67 greater than 69? No, so come this side. Is a 67 equal to 67? Yes, hence you found the node. Got it? Yes. Similarly, assume that this node now is 85, guys. So is 85 in the list? No. Means we need to end at some point, right? Yes. So you will start. So is 71 equal to 85? No, but it is greater. So come this side. Is 85 equal to 84? No. Is 85 greater than 84? Yes. So you will come this side. But what this node exactly contains, guys? It contains 84 and this side it is a null, right? Linked list approach. Okay, so 83 and here null, right? Yes. So once you reached null and you did not found the value, so hence you will return that the item is not there. Got it? Yes. Okay. Yes. So now let us continue. So now if a question is asked, delete 67. So how you can delete, guys? So 67 is a root, is not a root, right? So it is a leaf node, right? Yes. So hence there is no issue. You can directly remove it. So what is the issue with it, right? 84, 83, 69, right? Yes, you are correct. Similarly, now if a 65 is asked to remove, okay, so when 65 is asked to remove, it is having only one child, right? So replace it with that child. What's there in that? So 69, 84 and 83. Okay, if root is deleted, so here you need to concentrate. If any root or any child, any parent with two children is deleted, first write the in order, guys. So what is the in order for this? It is a 67, 71, 83, 84. So the node which you are deleting is 71, right? Yes. So before that node, what value is there? Make that as a root. So 69, 84 and 83. So we got this as the root and this is your new BST, binary search tree. Got it? Yes. So always the predecessor is selected, guys. So this node before is called as predecessor and the next node is called as successor. So in order, so this is in order, right? So in order, predecessor is always selected when you are deleting a node which has two children. Got it? Got the logic, right? Yes. So that's what it is written clearly in the book, guys. So each and every deletion and the cases and everything is written clearly. Okay. Yes. So if you are having any confusion, you can check the notes also. Okay. Yes. So now you got a clear idea about this binary search tree and all those things, right? Yes. So now you understood, right? So assume that now if you want to search for 83, how many comparisons you will come here? You will check 69 is equal to 83, no. 69 equal to 84, no. 69 equal to 83, yes. So after 3 searches, so basically it is indirectly 3, right? So the n is equal to 3. So it is nothing but big O of n time, right? Yes. So that is the reason why doing some modifications for this BST, we created AVL trees, guys. Okay, yes. So let us discuss about these AVL trees in the next lecture, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.